Okay, so all they had were display models, so I picked up, okay, they had these Kershaws, but not on the racks. So these were the only ones left in the case for display. So this is the Kershaw Airlock for $24.99 is what I got it for. Centered, tip-up carry, lanyard hole, not a deep carry clip, flipper, spring assist, good lockup on the liner. It did have a sticker on there, that's what that stuff is. They didn't clean it off. I know that I bought a Benchmade Proper last year, and it was the one I wanted on display, and they cleaned off the sticker for me. So I guess they don't have the same love for the Kershaws. But, yeah. A lot of the Kershaws just start looking the same. I like this one because it stood out as far as like the handle. I'll Google some specs on it. But there you go, Kershaw Airlock. For ZR13 blade steel.